Today on the boat show we're going to show you the latest from MJM. It's a sports cruiser. It's the brand new 53Z. Now this boat can be powered by inboards or outboards. In this situation we have outboards and we have four 400 from Mercury. As we step into the cockpit we notice how much space there is here. There's seating for up to 8 to 10 people. Right on the transom there's a big lounge area with a wooden table, so you can have dinner on the outside, covered by the shade cloth all the way along. Now the cruiser is equipped with quality finishes and you can see it by the finer touches, like the stainless steel hinge. On port side, on the back of the bulkhead, we have an ice maker. Opposite there's a mezzanine seat with storage underneath. Now for power here, we have a generator from Western Back, which is a 9 kW. This boat having outboards leaves lots of space underneath the cockpit. And there's a Seakeeper Series 9 for extra stability. Moving forward from the cockpit into the saloon, we notice that it's all at one level. Onto port we have a large lounge settee, big open windows, lots of light from the outside. Opposite we have a dinette area with a wooden table on a high-low. At the helm it's very comfortable. There's seating for up to 2 people. We have a really big wheel. Stainless steel with this wood finish just makes it so elegant. The dashboard instead, it's a very clean look. We have 2 16-inch Raymarine touchscreens which you can operate all the functions of the boat from here. We have joystick control, bow thrusters and controls just here. Now in the saloon on port and starboard the windows can be opened. Also in the front the windshields can be opened up electrically just from here. On port side we have a comfortable position for a co-pilot with its own Raymarine 12-inch screen. Centered forward for entertainment we also have a pop-down TV screen. Now it only takes a few steps to get down below. The electronics are just here as soon as you walk in. Controls for the engine, radio and all the electronics. The galley's onto port and it's complete. Very nicely appointed. For accommodations down below we have a 2 stateroom, 2 heads setup. Both heads have a separate shower stall. As we step into the forward stateroom we notice the quality finish, the woodwork along the sides. There's natural light through all the cabins and there's a hatch for fresh air just about in every room here. Small vanity, a nice seating and a queen size island bed. Both heads and both stateroom have an opening hatch for fresh air. Now just to run you through a few numbers on this brand new MJM 53Z, we have an overall length of 56 feet. We have a beam which is just over 15. We have a draft of 35 inches. Fuel on board, it can carry 910 gallons, water 150 gallons. This boat can reach a top speed with the power option that we have at the moment. It'll do 48 miles per hour and it'll cruise in the low 40s. Up on the bow for extra safety we have a bow railing that runs all the way along. It's a very heavy duty. Windlass anchor also with foot controls. Now we just finished our walkthrough on this brand new MJM. They've been building quality boats for the past 18 years and this brand new 53Z does not disappoint. Quality finishes on the inside, quality finishes on the outside. Until next time, See ya.